Hey Mom and Dad, where are we going?
We are going to Las Vegas to see the Bruno Mars concert.
But I don't want to go to Las Vegas. I want to go to New York City.
Clyde, it's just a family event. Besides, we are only gonna be there for one night. Can you please be on your best behavior there?
Fine, I'll come. Hey Mom and Dad, can I use the bathroom please?
Go ahead, Clyde. Hurry back.
I'm going to crash this plane so we don't go to that stupid concert. Ha 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 ha.
Keep moving everyone. This plane is about to sink.
Clyde, I can't believe you crashed the airplane into the ocean. Do you know you also injured your mother? Now she's in the hospital because of you. And we are stranded in the water.
That's it. You're grounded for 4 million years. When we get home you will go straight to your room and never ever come out.